If you're wondering how to set up custom email templates on Apollo.io, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can make the most out of Apollo's email automation features and elevate your outreach campaigns. Whether you're brand new to Apollo.io or just looking for an efficient way to enhance your workflow, this guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, you'll need to log into your Apollo.io account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can get started for free using the link below, and we'll throw in some exclusive bonuses to help you hit the ground running. Now, let's dive in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the emails section. Here, you'll find all the email templates you've either created or used in the past. To get started with a custom template, click on the Create Template button. This is where the magic happens. In the template editor, you'll see a text editor that allows you to craft personalized messages to your prospects. The great thing about Apollo.io is the ability to insert dynamic fields that can pull in specific information from your leads. For example, you can include the prospect's first name, company name, or even job title, all automatically. This makes your emails feel more personal and increases your chances of engaging with your audience. Now let's talk about structure. You can design your emails however you like. Apollo.io gives you a lot of flexibility. Start by drafting a strong subject line that grabs attention and clearly states the value you're offering. A great subject line can make the difference between an email that gets opened and one that gets ignored. In the body of your email, Apollo allows you to use rich text formatting. You can add bullet points, bold key information, and make sure your message is easy to read. You can also insert links to your landing pages, blog posts, or other resources directly within the email. Just be careful not to overwhelm your readers with too much information. The goal here is to offer just enough value to get them to take action. Once you're happy with your email template, save it, and then you can start using it for your outreach campaigns. Apollo.io makes it simple to select the templates when sending emails in bulk, making your outreach campaigns more efficient. Plus, you can test different versions of your templates by using A/B testing. This allows you to see which variations perform the best and refine your approach for maximum results. Remember, the key to great email outreach is personalization and consistency. With Apollo.io's custom email templates, you're not just sending out random messages, you're sending highly targeted and engaging content designed to drive action. Now that you know how to set up custom email templates on Apollo.io, you're ready to supercharge your outreach campaigns. But here's the thing, Apollo.io is packed with other amazing features that can help you grow your business even faster. And because you're watching this video, I want to remind you that you can get started for free with Apollo.io using the link below and take advantage of our extended trial offer to really explore everything the platform has to offer. So go ahead, set up your custom templates and start reaching out to your prospects like a pro. Don't forget, this is just the beginning. With Apollo.io, you'll be able to automate so much more of your outreach. And before you know it, you'll be managing your sales pipeline like a seasoned marketer.